Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Excel for data analytics step by step. We'll begin by exploring Excel's user-friendly interface, getting comfortable with its layout and navigation. Next, you'll master fundamental data entry and formatting, ensuring your data is clean and presentable. Finally, we'll dive into basic formulas such as SUM and average, which are crucial for initial data calculations. This foundational knowledge is your first step towards powerful data analysis. Now, let's focus on making your data pristine. We'll explore powerful text functions like left, right, and MID to manipulate and extract specific information from your cells. You'll also learn efficient methods to identify and eliminate duplicate entries, ensuring data integrity. Furthermore, we'll apply conditional formatting to visually highlight important trends or outliers, making your data insights immediately apparent. These steps are vital for accurate analysis. With clean data, we can now unlock its insights. You'll learn to create dynamic pivot tables, a powerful tool for summarizing and analyzing vast amounts of information with just a few clicks. We'll then transform your findings into compelling visual stories using various charts and graphs, making complex data easily understandable. Additionally, mastering VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP will enable you to efficiently retrieve specific data points from different tables, saving you valuable time. To truly excel, we'll delve into more advanced techniques. We'll cover sophisticated functions such as index match, offering more flexibility than traditional lookups. You'll also learn about data validation, a critical feature for maintaining data accuracy and consistency across your spreadsheets. Finally, the key to mastery is consistent practice. We'll discuss how to apply these skills to real-world datasets, solidifying your understanding and boosting your analytical confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.